Hello, welcome to Collaboration Coach, it's Matt, and in this video we're going to look at how to view your tasks in Planner in the charts and schedule views to make it easier to manage and schedule your tasks. If you're working on lots of different projects in Planner, then it sometimes gets really hard to manage all of your tasks. The My Tasks app is a consolidation of all the tasks you have across all the projects that you're working on. It's the best place to come to get an overall view of all the work that you need to do. Microsoft recently added chart and schedule views to the My Tasks app. So now when you open up Planner and go to the My Tasks app, you'll see the standard board view, but also the chart and schedule views. The board view is really useful to see which tasks you've been assigned, and you can filter these tasks by due date or priority. You can also group by priority, progress and due date, and this can give you a good idea of what you've got to do and when you've got to do it by. And now you can also view your tasks as charts or on a calendar. When I switch to the Charts tab, the first thing I see is the overall status that shows how my tasks are progressing. So there's also a priority chart here which shows me my tasks by urgency or priority. At the bottom, I can see the tasks by plan as well. Along the right hand side, I also see the tasks themselves. So if I want more information about any of them, I can just click on the task and open it up from here. We can filter this view too. So if I wanted to see all my urgent tasks, I could come up to the filter drop down in the top here, go to priority and then choose urgent. Now I can see that I've got 2 urgent tasks in progress and the plans that they come from. I could also filter by due date. If I clear the filter and then choose due and late, it then filters by the late tasks. If you want to view your task on a calendar, you can do that with the schedule view. For a task to appear on the calendar, it needs to have a due date. You can see I've got lots of tasks here, and that can sometimes appear quite daunting, but changing the calendar view to weekly can make it easier to look at. You can also filter. So for example, if you only wanted to see your late tasks, you can come to the filter drop down at the top, choose due and late again, and then just click on the task from the calendar view to see the details. So that's how you use charts and schedule in the My Task app in Planner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.